So it's the 1st of January 2020. It's the start of a new decade and wow, like I'm so like blown away. Like I still can't believe 2019 is over. Sorry, I'm gonna rest my elbow on my knee in front of me because my arm kind of hurts. But as you can see, I have makeup on. I woke up early. Actually, Tessa woke me up. She was walking around meowing. She's either looking for my parents are gone because they went out for New Year's and they stayed over at a friend's house, or she was just really hungry, and I think she was just really hungry, so I had to wake up at 7:30. And yesterday I went to bed, or should I say this morning, I went to bed at 1:30 in the morning, so that was fun. But I had a lot of fun in the last hours of 2019, and then I started off the year right by reading. So I actually ended up picking up a new ebook, and I finally thought I would pick up The Risk by L. Kennedy because it's the second book to the Chase series. I think it's just called the Briar U series. So the first one was called The Chase and it follows Summer, and I loved that book. And I don't know why I never picked up The Risk straight after it was released, because I pre-ordered both The Risk and The Play, which is the third book that already came out as well. So I thought I'd finally get a jump on it, and I'm already like over 20% in and I'm really enjoying it. So that's good. Brenna's just great. And Jake, like when she calls him Jakey, I love it so much. They have kind of like a hate-love relationship at the moment. They're attracted to each other, but they hate each other because he's the enemy. He plays for Harvard, not Briar. So yeah, I'm really enjoying that. I filmed 2 videos. I filmed my favourite books of 2019. That was so much fun to film because I love talking about the books I love on my channel so much. So I was just like fangirling with those books. And I also filmed my December wrap-up. The lighting's not the best today, but hopefully I can like salvage it during editing. But I'm also going to the cinema with my best friend to see Jumanji 2. I'm so excited because 2 years ago I went to the cinema on Christmas Day with my parents to see Jumanji 1 and I loved it so much. Kevin Hart and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson like are my favourite duo. I just find them so funny, and Kevin Hart is just a sweetheart, and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, fellow Hufflepuff, I gotta support him of course. And then I love Karen Gillan, I think. She's the ginger girl. Like I really love her. She's one of my favourite actresses. She also played Nebula in the Guardians of the Galaxy and she's my favourite character. I love her so much. And then Jack Black plays in it. I think there's a horse in the second one. I know there's a glitch in the game and they go back and try to fix it or something. I don't know, I'm just super excited. And I think I'm gonna go into town a bit early. I'm gonna walk to town. So it's gonna be like an hour walk, but it'll be good for me. And then maybe like walk around, but I'm not sure if the shops are open today, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm really having a good, productive, happy 1st of January. So that's good.
So turn off your phones, finish your conversations and get ready. It's about to begin.
Wygląda na kamerze. Ta prawdziwa zima. So guys, I thought I'd finally do a little update because I feel like it's been a while since I did an update. And yeah, look what came yesterday. I ordered a new case. It's got like, it's a clear case, but it's got sparkles and it has moons and stars and just like little sparkly dots. And I love it because I wanted like a clear case to display some of my photo cards. So I haven't gone for like the classic male photo card. I decided to put the only female K-pop star that I have a photo card of for now, which is Wendy. I keep her close to my heart because of what happened when they were performing Psycho, or I think it happened during rehearsals. I can't really remember, but like what happened to her was just horrible. And I just, every time I listen to Psycho and they show her on the screen in the music video when they're like singing we're going to be okay, I think that's what they say. Oh, I'm blanking on the lyrics, but like it makes me like cry inside because it's like they're singing about the accident. But I love this, like it just makes it sparkly and I just love how Wendy looks. But yeah, I filmed 2 videos this morning, which is really good, which is why I have makeup on. But I also thought I'd quickly update you on what I'm currently reading. So I'm currently in the middle of The Risk by Elle Kennedy, which is the second book in the Briar You series, which is a spin-off series of the Off-Campus series, which I love. And I thought I would love this series as well. And I think I gave The Chase 5 stars. It was a really good read. But The Risk is kind of boring me. I'm 74% in and it's just, I don't know, I feel like the characters are lacking to an extent and it's a little bit boring, like the conflict, because she's kind of like attracted to enemy because her father, like Brenna, her father is like the coach at Briar U, so she kind of supports Briar U. And then Jake, who's the love interest, he's like the captain of the Harvard team, and it's just like that. And now I'm on the part where everyone finds out and I just am curious to see how it's all handled. But I don't know, so far it's kind of like a 3.5 star read. Like at first I started it, I was like, oh my god, I love Jake and I love Brenna and I just love them. But now I'm a bit bored. Like I don't know, it's just lacking. What I loved with the Off-Campus series is like in each book we follow one member of the team, like the original Briar U hockey team, and they all live in a share house, which is really nice because we get to see like their interactions and their friends. Like you can tell they're really friends, whereas with this one we kind of follow, I don't know, it just seems a little bit off in a way, because even though Summer, who was the main character in The Chase, like she's best friends with Brenna, there's just not that, I don't know, interaction that I'm looking for. And like I love Jake, of course I do, he's adorable, and Brenna, I really like her, but I don't know, I'm just a bit bored a little bit. And I found out that the play isn't about who I thought it was. I thought it was gonna follow Rupee, who's this crazy character we met. I think she has a thing for Hunter, I think that was his name, but I think it follows Hollis, I think, in the play, and someone named Violet, who we actually found out a minute ago what was going on. So I don't know. But I need to film my, because I'm filming my flip through of my 2019 bullet journal. I still need to actually film like these spreads. I only filmed like the intro and outro. So yeah, that's all that's on the agenda today, and I'm gonna try and edit these 2 videos because they're quite short anyway, so they won't take me long. So guys, it's Sunday, which is why I look like a mess. It's like 10:30. I've been up since 8 a.m. I always have trouble even at 8 a.m. like waking up because it's still so dark. But I yesterday finished The Risk by Elle Kennedy, which it was kind of a disappointing read for me. So I ended up giving it 3 stars. Like there was just no connection for me in terms of like me connecting to Brenna and Jake. Like I really like their characters, but at the same time it felt like something lacked in their characters. And like the ending was so anticlimactic. Like that's the epilogue. Like are you kidding me? Maybe I'm just used to more like oh, a proposal or like showing them in the future. But yeah, I am gonna read the play because it's on my Kindle. But also I was listening to Love Yourself Tear on my CD player over there. as you can see, it's still in there. And when I was listening to it, I was going through my Kindle like looking at deals, because in January they always have really good deals, and I ended up buying 2 books of my physical TBR on my Kindle because I know I'm gonna read them sooner if I get them on my Kindle, because in the winter time, you know, I love reading on my Kindle. So I ended up buying Serpent and Dove for like 99p. So I'm really excited. I actually read like 1 page of it yesterday after I finished The Risk. I was like, now take a break, and I'm really excited because this is like set in France. It's a fantasy romance, slow burn, I've heard, witches, witch hunters, everything I love. But this morning I was supposed to edit one of my videos, but look what I did. I started watching my first love. I've only watched 1 episode, but oh my god, it was so funny. I realized a couple minutes into it that the lead, Yoon, the actor that plays him, he was the police officer in Strong Woman Do Bong Soon, who I did not like, but this guy I love. He's so funny. Like, and Choi, oh my god. I can't remember the last time I laughed so much. Actually, I do. But this drama is so funny. Only 1 episode in and I'm already in love with all the characters. Like, Han is amazing. Who else we've got? Sel. And oh, I'm reading it off my app that I use to travel what TV shows I'm watching. But this is like a Netflix original and it's like 2019. So I'm really watching like all the dramas from all the years. I'm so excited. Like, it's so good. Yes. What else did I want to update you guys on? I don't know, I think that's it for Sunday for now. I'll show you what I'm up to as the day goes on, but yeah. I finished my first book of the year. Hopefully that doesn't like set the tone for the rest of the year, that all books are gonna just be 3 stars or lower. But yeah, I'm gonna try and finish Wicked Fox sometime soon. I'm not gonna say today because my first love is gonna be my new love, so I'm probably gonna be obsessed with that.